check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple back, flip out the whole scene. Okay.
I think I have to film like a real intro for this video because it's actually kind of good. It's actually really good. It's not just like bad body cam footage, you know? We're gonna go shoot Kev's BMW and our 34 GTT. Kind of looks like a GTR, but it's not. But let's go shoot these cars. Oh, okay. We can put it on there.
Oh. I guess we can probably keep them just rolling.
What's going on here?
Hey, I'm Kevin.
Kevin,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good name.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks for being harder. I was just taking a video of it. It looks nice. Yeah, I love this, the little yellow that you added.
Oh yeah.
Such a nice touch. Oh, I see a bolt.
That's been there. The titanium stuff.
Oh, really?
It's been in there for a while. Yeah.
Oh, that?
Yeah, all the.
Oh, yeah, those are nice. I wanted to do that when I had a BMW.
You want to get some solo stuff? Or?
Yeah, we could get some solos of him. You want to park your car like diagonally
Down there.
in the middle?
And then like this, like facing this way, or.
Yeah, do you want to do diagonally or straight or?
No, it's probably diagonal.
Let's do diagonally like.
Nose that way.
Come forward. Just straighten your wheel. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, go back.
Oh.
God, dude, this thing's fucking beautiful. It's so pretty.
Yeah, we'll do more solo of him and then we'll do two.
Okay, yeah, do your thing.
Oh, that's a nice, just straight on shot. Some verticals, I guess. Even though we don't like doing vertical. Oh wow, that is really nice though. F4 is interesting. Oh, it's so bright. Holy shit. Yeah, that's a nice picture. Hello. Yes. Hello. That's just so cute. Oh, dude. I'm so glad I don't have a prime lens anymore. I know they're better, but I have so many more options with this lens. I can just be so lazy. Yeah, just punch in. Yep. Oh, yep. Other seat. Oh, yep. Oh, that's sick. Where's BMW at? Why can't they hire me? Modified. They don't like it because it's modified. That's why they're not calling. It's like Ferrari. Damn. Okay, we'll switch cars now. Do solos of his. Do you want to do it in a different spot though? Yeah, that's really nice. Minor photoshopping and then printing. I'm gonna have to Photoshop his stickers out. Just saying, looks too good without them. That's so nice. Like I could just keep pushing this button. Oh.
Like, I don't want to stop. I do not want
It's like drugs. Stay right there. Good boy. Hey. Oh my gosh. Mr. Pickles. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, the vertical still looks really nice though. We're anti-vertical around here.
Yeah, I was doing mostly horizontal today too. Because I never ever do horizontal. What?
How dare you? I don't like vertical photos, bro. Like I do, but I don't at the same time. Oh, it's such a cool angle. Like I didn't like the side shot of it, but I like it from here. Oh my god. Glory hole shot.
So I'm thinking for this next one, we can just have Kev pull in the opposite way, kind of behind him.
Yeah. Hold on a sec. Yep. That's good, that's good. Actually, go more. Go more. Go more. Right there. You got balls.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I'll fall and die. Yeah, I think we should move them.
Same, like angled. They're all the way
Do you
over
want to
here.
put the GTR next to him like that?
Oh, next to? Like going in the same
Have
direction?
just the blue one move to be right next to Kev.
In the same direction?
Yeah.
Sure.
Should we have him more forward? Yeah.
Yeah.
More forward.
Kev's gonna be the leading car.
More.
Right there.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, this looks like a drone picture, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Rate your shoot 1 out of 10 so far?
10.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
So sick.
AI.
Yeah.
Maybe the arrow? the arrow's pointing right at the cars. Here's the outro. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you want to see me and Kev shoot next. Kev's the photographer and the car owner. There's two different Kevs in this video, so hopefully you caught that. Kev the photographer and Kev the M2 owner, and then So like, comment, subscribe, bye.
Quick, how to use my camera gear.
It says 0 minutes right there in the top corner. I don't know if that was all filmed or not.
God, now I have to do my intro in front of you too? That's crazy.
Recording you while you're talking to yourself.
Oh, okay.
You think they're gonna pull in right here or over there? Oh, they're already here. Just jump down. It's honestly not that far. I think I could land it.